Today's manufacturing sectors, whether discrete or process, face a relentless wave of daily challenges. Unpredictable supply chains, fluctuating demand, and complex production schedules all lead to inefficiencies. Seeloz's reinforcement learning automation, ARLA platform steps in to tackle these challenges, learning and adapting in real time to optimize decision-making across manufacturing operations. The Manufacturing Optimization Suite, or MOS, takes ARLA's capabilities further by addressing the full scope of manufacturing needs, ensuring that each step of the value chain operates at peak performance. The Order Fulfillment Optimizer ensures that inventory is allocated strategically across distribution centers to meet demand, maximizing revenue. The DC Replenishment Optimizer ensures each center has the right stock levels at the right time, reducing stockouts and transportation costs. The Production Fulfillment Optimizer directs production orders to the most efficient sites based on capacity, costs, and proximity. The Procurement Optimizer makes smart decisions on whether to produce internally or buy finished goods, optimizing cost and capacity. The Distribution Planner keeps warehouses organized and stock positioned for fast, efficient fulfillment. Together, the MOS agents deliver unparalleled strategic and operational value, increasing production efficiency, reducing waste, and ensuring just-in-time delivery. With the Manufacturing Optimization Suite, businesses can expect to see a significant return on investment. Gains include a 5 to 10% increase in operational efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced customer satisfaction, unlocking millions of dollars annually. Join us in transforming manufacturing with Kaya and ARLA. Let's optimize your future, together.